Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of Android apps and what happens when you hit that force stop button. Is it safe? When should you use it? Let's find out. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Now let's get started. First off, what is force stop? It's a feature on Android devices that allows you to manually shut down an app that is currently running or misbehaving without having to restart your entire device. When you exit an app, it doesn't completely shut down. Instead, it stays in the background, allowing it to quickly reopen and update. However, sometimes apps can misbehave, drain your battery, or consume excessive resources while running in the background. That's where Force Stop comes in handy. It allows you to manually close the app and prevent it from running until you open it again. But is it safe? For the most part, yes. Force stopping an app can be a quick fix for an app that's not working currently. However, there are a few things to keep in mind. Force stopping an app might result in unsafe data being lost. For example, if you were editing a document or photo, unsaved changes might be lost. Also, it might affect background processes like alarms or notifications for that app. So, when should you use it? It's best used as a last resort when an app is unresponsive or acting erratically and traditional methods like closing and reopening the app don't work. Still have questions? Let's go quickly over some common issues. Will force stopping an app delete any data? No, it won't delete the app or its data, but unsafe data might be lost. Can it harm my device? No, using force stop is a safe process that doesn't harm your device. However, it should be used sparingly and not as a regular method for closing apps. Does it save battery? Yes, in cases where the app is misbehaving and draining battery, force stopping it can help save battery life. And there you have it, everything you need to know about the force stop feature on your Android device. It's a powerful tool when used correctly, but remember, it's best used sparingly. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tricks.